Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the big data applications. By this session, I will give you the overview of all other the basic concepts of the big data as the part of the unit one, and we will conclude the unit one by this session. Okay, we are going with that. Big data analytics. What is the big data analytics? Big data has transformed various industries by enabling the organizations to leverage vast amounts of data for improving the decision making, enhanced customer experience, and operational efficiency. For all this, we are using the big data analytics, and the domains are vast, meaning that in any domain we are using the big data analytics nowadays. Healthcare, finance and banking, retail, telecommunications, transportation and logistics, manufacturing, social media and marketing, energy and utilities and education, and also the insurance, like this. These are some of the examples of the domains where we can use the big data, and there are so many others also there. So we are going to deal with one by one. We will discuss in detail, little elaborated with the healthcare and the banking, then we will go with the other components. Okay, now healthcare. In the healthcare, as we discussed in the previous session, that is the predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, all these are the parts of the analytics. So types, classifications of the analytics. As the part of that, in the healthcare, what are the predictive analytics? What are the possibilities? Here, analyzing the patient data to predict disease outbreaks and individual patient outcomes, allowing to provide the treatment plans, meaning that what plan we can apply for the treatment. So all these can be planned by using the predictive analytics in the big data analytics. Okay, and personalized medicine, meaning that by using the family patient history and the DNA or genetic data, by using all this, we can plan and we can tailor the treatments. What treatment has to, what combinations have to be used for this particular patient. That is the personalized medicine. It is very helpful, and it is a very large research area. And clinical research, of course every patient is having some unique problems and unique situations. So we to analyze them, if you increase the patients, meaning that the data set size more and more, you can analyze it more, so that the clinical research analyzing the large data sets from the clinical trials to identify the trends and outcomes more rapidly, and speeding up the drug development process also. First, if we are able to diagnose, then we can go for the drug analysis and drug designing, and then product designing and all these things. That is the later case. First, we have to go for the clinical research. So for that also, healthcare big data analytics is useful in the healthcare. Of course, there are so many other concepts are there in the healthcare only. Nutrition products, nutrition, diet analysis, diet control, all these comes under the healthcare issues only. And finance and banking. In the finance and banking, I think most of these components already you are aware of them. So risk management, meaning that the fraudulent transactions, how the fraudulent activities, let us say for example, I have done my transaction in India, and immediately in the next minute or next hour, the transaction was done in some other place like UK or USA, then it is not possible. So there is it is a suspected thing. So risk management, so fraudulent transactions, all these we can easily identify by using the big data analytics. And algorithmic trading, and more complex algorithms to employ the more complex algorithms to analyze the market and current trends and all this to identify all of them. We will go with the algorithmic trading and the customer insights. The customer insights meaning that the customer data and how they are behaving, how they are utilizing the services, and all these customer situations and customer capacity on all these they can be analyzed, and so that we can provide, the banks can provide the good services to the customers. So that is also one of the application for the big data analytics. And retail in the retail customer behavior analysis. What is the customer behavior in these domains? Some applications or some components or concepts may be repeated, so here customer behavior analysis, how the customer is behaving with the in the business environment. Based on that also we can treat that, so how to handle that, that can be taken the decision by the management. So it is a retail. And in the dynamic pricing, I think all of you are aware of this. The flights and others, there is the dynamic pricing based on the demand. The price may be increased or decreased. So it is the dynamic pricing system that can be also done. And supply chain management, supply chain optimization, not management. As a part of the supply chain management, in that optimization, meaning that we have to speed up the supply chain. Supply chain means where the product was started, where it was, the research was done, and then where it was developed, where it was designed, implemented, and where it was materialized, and then how, where it was product was ready, and all this, the complete cycle of the product, that will be taken care by the supply chain management. That is the optimization. We can optimize that supply chain management, so that supply chain optimization. So speed up the process. We can speed up the process in all the phases. And telecommunication, that is the churn prediction. Churn prediction in the sense analyzing the customer data to identify at-risk customers and implement the retention strategies, how we can handle it. That is the churn. In this churn, these are the types of customers which are comes under this churn, and we have to take the decision on them like this. So it is also a little bit related to the customer behavior analysis, and here also the same. And the network optimization in the hardware and protocols, there also we can include the big data analytics to improve the network optimization, to reduce the downtime and all these, improve the quality and all. And fraud detection, obviously, again in the telecommunications also there is a fraud calls, so that we can handle and analyze and handle by using the big data analytics. And transport and logistics, and here it is the route optimization. I think all of you know that Google Maps route optimization. So which path, what you want to prefer, whether you want to prefer the highways or avoid the tolls, or in this way there are several things. All these are the route optimization. And the predictive maintenance, meaning that for the what is the maintenance required. For the long journeys, there is a management required, maintenance is required after some journey, and for all the transport things, they need the maintenance requirement. So to minimize that repair cost, and to minimize the failures in the vehicle and in the transportation, we can use the predictive maintenance concept. And then demand forecasting, what is the demand for which route the demand is high, that we can analyze that. And then manufacturing, in the manufacturing, predictive maintenance, same thing, predictive maintenance, what is the maintenance and quality control. And then supply chain management as it is. And then we can go for the social media and marketing, as you know, sentiment analysis, and who are the known persons and what are the recommendations and all these, they will be the part of this social media. And then targeted advertising, which customers are like to see these particular advertisement, they may need this particular ad. So that is the analysis that is also possible, and the customer engagement, meaning that the how to engage the customer, and how to monitor, and how to maintain the customer, how to hold the customer. So all these are the various things. And in the education, student performance analysis analytics, already we are doing that in our college. We are applying the techniques. And curriculum development, resume development. There is a resume development, curriculum development, and then enrollment forecasting for a particular company. How many will apply? How many will enroll? And for the next academic year, what can we expect? Which group can fill the can be which group seats will be filled at first, and then we can estimate something. So that is in the education. And energy and utilities, it may be the smart grids, and then demand forecasting. What is the demand in the festival seasons? We need more power, and all these are the things. And renewable energy management, this is also another part. And insurance, in the insurance also there is the fraud detection. There are so many frauds are happening in the insurance, so to identify what are the frauds happening, all this can be done. And then risk management and claim processing, and we can reduce the claim process claim time. Otherwise the patient may the claims, for the claims, not only patient, it may be for the vehicle or anything, we have to process the claim very fast. So that is possible by using this. Okay, and as a part of this, we have covered the unit 1. So I think you can see that here, understanding big data, characteristics of big data we covered in the starting starting session, and an introduction to big data and its importance, and then challenges posed by the big data, and we touched that concept. And then big data analytics and classification, in the previous session we completed, and big data applications we covered this part in this session. And big data technologies already we covered in the second session. In the second session, so almost all the concepts are covered from the first unit, and we are providing you the material also. So please follow the material for the detailed things. Otherwise, yeah, only if you are depending on the videos, you will not get it completely. So you have to follow the material. We are providing the material for everything. Okay. And one more thing is examination point of view. The material may be provided, may be revised, and it may be released afterwards also. We are going to release that. Okay. For learning the concept, this is the material whatever we are providing at this moment. Okay, examination point of view, it may be slightly revised, so we will revise that, and we will produce that to you. Okay, I hope you are enjoying these videos. Thank you.